Put that dress back, Amina. Ammi, I was only checking the price. Even checking expensive things costs dreams.
Ammi, let her choose something.
Your sister still needs her Eid jewellery.
Oh. And my wife needs nothing?
She already has last year's dress.
No. My wife will not return empty-handed today.
Farhan, please. Not here. Then decide. Your wife's dress or your sister's jewellery?
First, tell me why you cancelled your order yesterday.
Mama, was that your favorite dress?
It was pretty, but we came for you. Adults also grow, Ammi. Sometimes they grow quieter. I changed my mind. We have many expenses. Finally, you are thinking wisely.
Amina, what happened yesterday?
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
These earrings will suit your sister.
They cost too much.
We can find a simpler pair. Simple things suit simple people. Respect does not hang from someone's ears.
Papa, can Mama get bangles too? Mama wore bangles before she sold them.
Sold what?
Her wedding bangles. I saw the empty red box.
I sold them 2 weeks ago.
Why would you do that?
Your salary came late. Ammi needed medicine and new glasses.
You sold your wedding bangles for my treatment? They were only gold. A living mother matters more than jewellery. I treated you like an outsider. Please forgive my pride. It is not too late. I forgive you. These belong to the woman who protects our family. You were always brave.